Do you know what dwarf planets are? Or perhaps even more interestingly, did you know that there are 5 of them in our solar system? Yes, you heard that right. 5. Many wonder, what exactly differentiates dwarf planets from other planetary bodies? Well, here's the answer. There are 3 criteria a body must meet to be classified as a planet. First, it must orbit a star, in our case the Sun. Second, it must be massive enough to be nearly round due to its own gravity. And third, it must have cleared its orbital path, meaning it is gravitationally dominant in its orbit. Dwarf planets meet the first 2 criteria, but not the third. Therefore, while they differ from asteroids, they do not qualify as full-fledged planets. So which are the dwarf planets in our solar system? Our first stop is Ceres, the dwarf planet closest to the Sun, located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Considered a planet when discovered in 1801, it was later reclassified as an asteroid, and in 2006 it was designated as a dwarf planet due to its round shape. This small world, made of rock and ice, is believed by many scientists to hide secrets beneath its surface, possibly even an underground ocean. In comparison with the Moon, it is about 3.7 times smaller in diameter. Next up is the dwarf planet Haumea, one of the fastest rotating and most unusually shaped dwarf planets. Situated beyond Neptune, its rapid rotation gives it an elongated shape, and its day lasts only 4 hours. Haumea's surface is mainly covered in ice, giving it high reflectivity. There are also darker regions that might be the result of space impacts or internal activity. Haumea has 2 known moons, Hyakka and Namaka. Hyakka, the larger and brighter of the 2, is believed to be composed mainly of water ice. Compared to the Earth's moon, Haumea is much smaller, with its largest diameter being elliptical in shape, measuring 1,994 kilometers. The third dwarf planet we talk about in this video is Makemake. This dwarf planet is slightly smaller than Pluto and is known for its extremely cold surface. Located in the Kuiper belt, it is one of the brightest objects in that distant region. Makemake has one known moon named Mk2. Compared to Earth's moon, Makemake is about 2.43 times smaller in diameter. Moving on to the 4th dwarf planet of the solar system, Eris, once thought to be larger than Pluto, is our next stop. This distant object, also in the Kuiper belt, sparked the debate leading to the reclassification of Pluto. Eris has an extremely elliptical orbit far from the Sun, taking about 558 Earth years to complete one orbit. Due to its distance from the Sun, Eris's surface is extremely cold, likely covered in a layer of frozen methane. Eris has one moon, Dysnomia, which helps us better understand this remote and icy world. Eris's diameter is approximately the same as Pluto's, making it about 1.39 times smaller than the Earth's moon. Finally, we arrive at the most famous dwarf planet, Pluto. Once the 9th planet of our solar system, Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet was the subject of much debate. Pluto has a thin atmosphere, consisting mainly of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. This atmosphere undergoes dramatic changes during Pluto's orbit, expanding when it is closer to the Sun and freezing when further away. This distant world is known for its heart-shaped glacier, diverse terrain, and 5 moons, including the large and complex Charon. In diameter, Pluto is about 1.39 times smaller than the Earth's moon. We believe that each of these fascinating celestial bodies deserves its own time and video, so stay tuned for more videos we bring about these fascinating celestial bodies, where we will bring more detailed facts about each of them. These small worlds, each with unique characteristics, continue to challenge and expand our understanding of the cosmos.